Buddy, let me show you how you can how can you share projects and save projects in an efficient way with me or anyone that has Ableton. So let's say that you have your projects. So I have a folder here, sounds, a bunch of online packs that I use. And obviously this is in a different location where I'm going to save my project. So let's say that I want to use this WAV file and I put it here, and I'm going to save this project into a folder here. So I'm going to create here, I don't know, test Ableton project. As you can see, it's empty. I'm going to do the traditional save live set, desktop, and my test Ableton project, and I'm going to call, normally I give the date and the key, let's say E minor, I don't know, of the song that I'm doing, and then a name if it has, otherwise you just put test, press save. Now if I go to that folder, I have the project, and notice how you have a file called ALS, so this is your Ableton project, and inside of here you don't have anything else. So notice how none of the sounds that is here, in this case just one, the WAV file, it's not inside of your project. So when you share this is a problem. So in order to fix that, you go under File and you say Collect All and Save. And when you press OK, now when you go to your Ableton project, you will see that you have two more folders, and one inside of samples imported, you have the WAV files or any sound, MIDI, whatever, associated with this specific project. Now if you want to share this project with me, the best way and the easiest way is to right click and you compress this file, and it's a zip file that now I just need to send these over with transfer or email. This is just 2 megs, it's super easy. And the minute that, so let me take this out of here so you can see how it works, because I will be sharing with you like this. So if I double click, it will unzip, and it will unzip as Ableton project. Now you can change names here on the fly, that's not a problem. Let me close this. So I go here and let's say that I change, and now I call test2. It's totally fine, I can share and have another project, that's no problem. Now let's see one more thing that it's important. Let's say that I share this project with you, we just shared this one, I send it to you, and you want to continue this project, but you don't want to damage what it's done. So notice here that we have one project called ALS. So I'm going to open this project, which is Ableton. So it's the last one. It's going to open. Now all the WAV files are in the right place. The first thing that I'm going to do is File, and then Save Live Set As, and you keep the project inside of the same folder, but now I can call a different name. So let's call test. And now the cool part is I save it. This is my new project. So let's say now that I have, I don't know, something else that I'm going to share. Well, this is not the WAV file. Say I have one more over here. This is my new addition. So notice now that I am under test. So I'm not damaging anything. I collect all and save, and this is where the cool part is that now you have all these sounds, but inside you have two projects. One that it's the earlier project, and the second one which is a more recent version. So if I open this one, we'll have only one file. If I open this one, we'll have two WAV files because it's a more recent project. You do the same thing. You can zip the file, so you can go here, zip it or compress, and that's the file that you're going to transfer to me or to someone else that is continuing your project. Hope this helps, and let me know if you have any questions.